Hello everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 19th of January intraday analysis. Alright, on this video we will cover some charts those will be natural gas, USD, Japanese yen, and Ethereum price. So before starting the video, I will share some news and some macroeconomical data release with you. This morning we have received the data of inflation from UK and Germany. Both of them are high as expected. So many people think maybe that because of the base effect. Many people say that it's all because of the base effect. Like the prices in 2021 was in 2022 was really low. So in December 2021 it was highest level. That's why we have reached to biggest level of inflation. They say like that. We will see like it's true or not. In January inflation data, we will just discover that one. For example, in US in January 2021, the inflation was only 1.2. So can you imagine? Right, it's almost 5 times more right now than that level. All right, that was the news, and then after that one we have seen some just it was expected. We didn't see much volatility on those level, but yesterday we have seen a lot of sell-off in US market, and then it has led to other market. It has affected other markets as well. It all started with Goldman Sachs earning estimate miss. Can you imagine, like, it just one company misses the estimates, and then it's starting a sell-off, and then we just see a global sell-off. So this market is just affecting each other. And today Bank of America and then United Health will just publish their earnings and pre-market both of them, and those companies are big, and then they will affect the market in a positive or negative way. We will see how it will happen. All right, let's start with our first chart. First chart is the natural gas. Natural gas prices has risen on 12th of January really fast, but then and it just declined. When this happened, and there's one thing. Russia just closed the contract, like an online platform of contra LNG sales platform, and that has attracted US Henry Hub contracts on higher level than when they opened the contracts on 13th of January. We have seen decline in prices, and right now natural gas is trying to make $4 as a base. This is the spot price of natural gas, and it just wants to make this price as a base for future declines. Natural gas trades many times in a tight channel. It was between 3.50 and $4, and right now it's trying to make $4 as a support level and 4.30 as a new high level. It may go like this for a few days, for a few weeks more, because the last 2 weeks of January is being expected to be cold, and then the next days also like it to be expected to cold. The consumption of natural gas will be high, but then with the start of February, and especially in the second half of the February, we will see a warmer weather in Europe and US, and then that will affect the price of natural gas. Until that moment, if the crisis of the Ukraine and Russia doesn't happen, we will see the prices will go like this. All right, let's see. All right, let's look at USD and Japanese yen currency pair.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right now we are on USD Japanese yen currency pair, and as you can see here, with the dollar index declined to 94, it has fallen. Then it has started to rise with a rebound of dollar index. But here, normally like every other currency is just going higher. But in here, Japanese yen has just gained some momentum as they're also bond yields are rising. That's why like people are just switching that one. Devaluation of Japanese yen has stopped, and right now we see it's just in a tight channel, and it may just go on this channel for a few days. But when we get closer to Fed meeting, probably the expectation on that meeting will be higher and dollar index will be a higher level, like 96 something like that, and we will see higher levels of USD Japanese yen currency pair. It will be like that in the coming days with the expectation of Fed rate hike. The speeches of the Fed officials until to that meeting will be critical on that perspective. All right, let's look at Ethereum prices, the last chart of the day. Alright, our last chart is Ethereum, and as you can see here, Ethereum is just struggling to pass 3,200 levels, and then when it just reached that level, it just stays a few days maybe, then it's just getting rejected. In cryptocurrency market right now, everything is chaotic because on this Fed meeting, this month's Fed meeting, there will be a report about cryptocurrencies. On that report, we will see like there will be a regulation against cryptocurrency, or there will be more restriction about them. That will be the critical issue. If you just see a regulation issue and then, for example, stable coins, it seems that a risk for Fed officials, they said we need to focus on stable coins because it's just making easier for transaction of money fraud and then money laundering. They say like that. So if you just hear some more declaration on stable coins, it will definitely affect the market, because without stable coins we cannot trade in cryptocurrency market, or they are kind of the USD of benchmark of the market, like Tether USD coin, and the other like a DAI. These kind of things are important for the market to just evaluate the value of the coins. All right, as you can see, it's just trading below 3,200, and as long as it stay here, we may see future declines. Especially it may test lower levels, it may test below 3k. We will see. All right, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news, and then we will cover more charts with you this afternoon. Have a nice and profitable day.